If your drinking water suddenly tastes different, don't ignore it. A reverse osmosis system is designed to push water through a membrane that removes dissolved solids, chlorine, byproducts, lead, and many other contaminants Health Canada lists in their drinking water guidelines. When the system is working, your tap water tastes clean and consistent. When something changes, a new flavor, a faint smell, a metallic edge, that usually means a filter is past its life or the membrane is no longer performing the way that it should. Taste is the easiest warning sign. Catching it early means a simple repair instead of a bigger problem. A slow RO faucet is the system telling you something is wrong. RO systems have multiple stages. Typically, a sediment pre-filter, one or more carbon filters, the membrane itself, and the post-filter. Most manufacturers recommend pre- and post-filters to be replaced roughly every 6 to 12 months, and membranes every 2 to 5 years, depending on water quality. When flow at the kitchen tap slows down noticeably, it's almost always one of these 3 stages clogging. The system isn't broken, it's overdue. A repair on service filters restores normal flow and brings the system back to the performance level it was installed at. It's routine, not dramatic. You shouldn't have to second guess a glass of water from your own kitchen. A lot of homeowners install reverse osmosis specifically because they want to stop thinking what's in their drinking water. So when the system starts producing water that tastes off, smells different, or comes out slowly, that confidence disappears fast. The system isn't supposed to be something you check on every week. When it needs attention, it usually slows it through one of those small changes. And ignoring one of those signs just lets a small filter issue turn into a full system issue. A timely repair is much cheaper than a replacement. RO leaks are quiet, and they're almost always at the connections. Reverse osmosis systems run on standard water pressure and use small, push-fit fittings, an air gap or a non-air gap faucet, and a small storage tank. Over years of use, fittings can loosen, the tank bladder can fall, or the auto shutoff valve can stop working, which makes the system run consistently and waste water. None of these are emergencies, but they don't fix themselves. A trained technician can identify which component is the actual problem instead of you guessing. That's the difference between a real repair and just changing every filter hoping. If your kitchen water no longer feels reliable, get the system checked before it gets worse. RO systems are simple, but they have several stages, and any one of them can be the cause of a taste change, slow flow, or quiet leak. Filter replacements, membrane changes, fitting repairs, and full diagnostics are all standard service work, not reasons to replace the whole system. Superior Water Purification services reverse osmosis systems all across Ontario, including most major brands. If your drinking water isn't right, book a visit at superiorwaterpurification.ca and we'll find the actual cause.